Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear friends, why did we come into this world? Did you ever think about it? If you never thought about it until today, then this message is for you. We come into this world only to worship of Allah. But what does worship really mean? A servant always obeys his master. In the same way, humans want success in this world. For success, a person must follow rules. For example, you must follow the law of the country you live in. Following the law shows loyalty, and because of this, you also get benefits. But if someone breaks the law, he is called a rebel and he gets punished. In the same way, human life is also under a system. Allah created humans with this system. So, Allah wants humans to live according to His laws. No new prophet will come now. So, the message of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is final. Change your life, change yourself, and spend the rest of your life by following the law of Allah. My dear friends, I hope today's message beneficial for you. Inshallah, I will continue to share more messages and more speeches. My dear friends, my last message is for you. In the life, only one time open the Quran and read it. Inshallah, after read the Quran, your mind will be clean, your heart will be clean, and before sleeping, you say Allah, Allah, Allah. Inshallah, after sleeping, your heart will be clean, your mind will be clean, and your heart very peaceful. So, take care yourself, take care your parents, take care your all family members. If you mind any question for this message, so contact me my WhatsApp number. Take care.